heel turn in the Foxtrot. We're going to speak about feather step and reverse turn. Just for example, we're going to do this combination. When we are taking heel turn, girls, I want you to remember, before heel turn, we are taking a regular step backward. So I'm staying on my left foot, I'm lowering on my left foot and preparing my right. Then, girls, we are pushing from the left foot and extending our right foot, getting in the rock step. Then, girls, we slowly start to collect our feet, and in the end, we placing right heel down and start to do our heel turn. Then, going from the heels on the toes, and then taking right foot forward and make a lowering. So if I would do it very slow one more time, I'm going to take preparation step, 7, 8, feather step, slow, quick, quick, lowering and preparing, take a slow, take a heel turn quick, and then quick.